everyone, my name is Faith Dane, and today I'll be walking you through my professional technology coaching website. Here at the top you will see all of your tabs needed to get to resources and artifacts from throughout the program. We have our homepage, which is all about me. You'll be able to learn a little bit about myself. We have Change Agent, Connected Learner, Collaborator, Learning Designer, Professional Learning Facilitator, Data-Driven Decision Maker, Digital Citizen Advocate. Those 7 major tabs are based on the ISTE standard for coaches. And then after that, you will see a tab for current emerging technologies, professional learning resources, a year-long professional development plan, and our... Because this website is full of so much content, there are multiple things that you can focus on for professional developments, either large groups, small groups, or individual sessions. For example, if we wanted to go to the Learner Designer tab, again, focused on coaches, model, and support educators to design learning experiences and environments to meet the needs and interests of all students. If you wanted to host a professional development based on synchronous and asynchronous learning, within this tab there is an infographic that walks you through the differences between synchronous and asynchronous learning. There is a resource video for teachers as well as a resource video for students and parents or guardians to help navigate their way through synchronous or asynchronous learning. It presents the pros and cons, teacher tips for effective instruction, as well as student tips for success and parent and guardian tips for success. This is one use of the website that you can use for a small professional development. This website also acts as a collaboration tool for all educational stakeholders. For example, if someone was interested in learning about current emerging resources, technology, or digital tools, you're able to share this website with them and go to your current emerging technologies, where 5 current technologies have already been evaluated and reviewed and giving a short rationale about how they can be used and why they work for students. We have Edulastic, Prezi, Edpuzzle, Flipgrid, and Booklet. All of these resources can be used to create those lasting relationships with other educators who are wanting to learn more. All of the content within the website was created based off the shared vision represented in my school district's technology plans and guidelines. The content helps me advocate for strategies to support equitable implementation of technology in the classroom based off of the research that I've already done. For example, in Connected Learner, we have a digital concept map that is full of learning theories, behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, and connectivism. Within those 4 major learning theories, they are all connected with different strategies and instructional activities, as well as this differentiated technology-based assessment. The research I have conducted is focused on differentiation within the classroom to support all students' learning needs. As a technology coach, when developing, administrating, and evaluating technology-infused strategic plans at the district and school levels, it will always start at the foundation of the ISTE standards. Depending on what the lesson is for students, educators, or coaches, it is important to review the ISTE standards to make sure that all content and ISTE standards are connected with the student in mind. Is there differentiation of assessment? Is there differentiation for content learning? Is there differentiation for turning in the project to show proficiency within the content standard? It is always important that these ISTE standards are connected with the content standards that make sense and are well organized for both students, educators, and coaches. The content of this website will support me as a technology coach in implementing strategies for initiating and sustaining technology innovations and managing the change process in schools and classrooms, because it acts as a resource for teachers and admin based off research that has already been conducted through field experience and mentorships where strategies and innovations have already taken place. This website is full of artifacts to help others start their change process out successfully.